In the 2023 software version, you can simplify your floor plan annotations with the help of the floor plan vocabulary. You can assign your own floor plan symbol to the words stored in the 2D symbol vocabulary. First, let's create the name in the interior, Single Object, Tools, Exchange 2D symbol vocabulary. Since the selected element name includes the word chair, I will use that. By clicking on the Edit button, the Chair 01 group will become the new floor plan symbol. If the name of the imported object partially or fully matches one of the names stored in the vocabulary, the program will automatically create the new library item with the floor plan symbol stored in the vocabulary. To change the 2D view of the placed object, I need to replace its 2D symbol using the vocabulary. When closing the dialog, the program will ask if it should overwrite the original element. If I choose yes, the library item will appear with the new symbol on the floor plan upon replacement. Dragging the object onto itself, the program will replace the 2D symbol on all occurrences of the element, resulting in a more streamlined 2D view.